The hidden cost of legacy print infrastructure. Most organizations know they spend money on print. Very few know how much. Print costs are often scattered across infrastructure, supplies, support, and MPS contracts. Servers, drivers, maintenance, help desk tickets, toner, paper, service agreements. And in many organizations, nobody has a complete view. Legacy print infrastructure creates hidden operational costs that quietly grow over time. IT teams spend hours troubleshooting print issues. Different offices manage different vendors. Print servers continue requiring maintenance and updates. All of that adds operational overhead that rarely gets measured. That is why many organizations are rethinking print as part of broader cloud modernization efforts. Cloud-based print management can help reduce infrastructure burden, improve visibility into usage and spend, and simplify support across locations and users. The goal is not just reducing print costs. It is reducing complexity, freeing IT resources, and creating more capacity for higher value initiatives like AI and automation. Download the Buyer's Guide to learn how IT teams are building the case for print modernization.